Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to give you 30 Spring Framework interview questions. What is dependency injection in Spring Framework? What are the different types of modules available in Spring Framework? What is a bean factory in Spring Framework? What is Spring application context? What is the difference between Bean Factory and Spring Application Context? Both are similar, but Spring Application Context has some more features like handling message properties and resources. Explain Spring MVC module, Model View Controller module. What are the different types of application context implementation in Spring Framework? What is Dispatcher Servlet in Spring Framework and what its role? Explain component scan. What is model attribute? Model attribute annotation. What is the use of request mapping in Spring MVC? What is the use of path variable in Spring MVC? These two are useful in the controller layer. Explain controller annotation. So this is also used in the control layer. How to upload a file using Spring MVC. Config context listener. What is that? Explain. Explain internal view resolver. What is the use of auto wired annotation? Wiring the beans together, associated beans together is AutoWire is used to do that. Why do we need qualifier? If two beans are similar, then in order to identify, we need qualifier. How to enable Spring JPA in application? What are the different types of scope in Spring? Singleton, prototype, request, session, and global session. What is the use of exclude filter? Explain the life cycle of a bean. Different types of Spring application context. What is the difference between auto wired and resource? Explain validator in Spring MVC at valid. In order to do the server-side validation, the parameters validator are used. What is the difference between component, service, controller, and repository? Why do we need Spring JDBC template? What are the benefits such as boilerplate code? How to inject object references with constructors in Spring Framework? Explain controller annotation in Spring MVC. What are the different types of transaction manager in Spring Framework? What is the difference between programmatic transaction and declarative transaction? Programmatic transaction is the one where you take the control, the programmer takes the control, and whereas declarative, you just declare and depend on Spring Framework. So these are the 30 important Spring Framework interview questions. Hope these questions are useful. Thank you and all the best.